Hello, welcome to day 2 of our Georgia O'Keeffe drawing. So the first day we should have laid out a drawing of our flower. Today we are going to get a piece of this carbon paper. Now you'll notice it's really black on one side and kind of grayish on the other. It's really important to notice the difference because of which way we need to put it down in order to make this work. So you will be getting another piece of paper that looks exactly like the first one you did. And then you're going to get the carbon paper. And we're going to make a little carbon paper sandwich. So I'm going to put the plain one on the bottom. And then the carbon paper with the black side down and the gray side up. If you're not sure, ask, okay? Because you're going to waste a lot of time doing it the wrong way if you do not have it right. So step goes like this. Blank paper, carbon paper, black side down, gray side up, and then your drawing that you made on the very top, like that. Then we want to make sure it doesn't move around. The best way to make sure things don't move around is if you put a little piece of tape down. So I'm going to put a piece of tape here and maybe another piece over here. You can tape it to the table if you want. Doesn't really matter. You just don't want it to move around. I'll put maybe one more over here just for that. Then you're going to trace all of the lines you drew. Now you're going to need to press hard, or kind of hard. See, I just broke my point. It doesn't even really matter if you see what you're drawing here. And this is where we're going to be making a second copy of the drawing that we just did. We're doing this for a special reason, that we're going to actually weave the two Georgia O'Keeffes together, and then we're going to have them painted two different colors, so it will look super cool. And I'm not going to do the whole thing, but what I want to show you, which is why I left the top knot. You also don't want to be pressing real hard on the paper a while. It doesn't really matter that much, but you want to, because this stuff, it's really dark, and it will show up. So what I'm doing is I'm making a special copy using the carbon paper. Make sure you don't miss any of your lines. And before you take it off completely, what I want you to do is I want you to go and take a peek and see if it worked. Look at that. It worked. So that's basically what we're going to do today. Once you have both copies drawn out and completely done, you're going to get a Sharpie and you're going to trace all your lines and then erase all the pencil lines. So at the end of the day, what we're going to have is 2 exact copies of the outline of flowers that we're going to paint next week. All right, have a good day. Have fun.